Are you looking for an LED profile designed for a long run? Look no further. The Versalles LED channel is the profile for the job. Its distinguishing feature is the inclusion of a lower channel. This channel allows you to discreetly run wiring to both ends of your strip, closing the circuit. There are two chief benefits to closing a strip circuit. 1. It will distribute heat more evenly across the strip, preventing untimely failure. 2. It doubles the length you can run your LED strip, before visible loss of light occurs. Here's how closing the circuit would look using the Versalles. It's an especially useful trick when you're working with a cob strip, like this one. Cob strips have a very high concentration of LED chips, and as a result they generate a lot more heat. Just be sure to connect both sides to the same power supply. When used in combination with our Easy on XL diffusers, the Versalles becomes an IP65 rated waterproof fixture. This makes it suitable for use in high humidity areas of your home, such as your bathroom, sauna, or even a fridge. You can watch our video titled, Comparing LED Diffusers, to aid you in choosing the right color diffuser for you. We have a wide range of accessories available on our website, compatible with the Versalles, making it easy to use in numerous applications. These end caps will give your light fixture a finished look, while completing the IP65 waterproofing. We offer this wing diffuser, for those looking for a narrower light angle. The ARLS flexible diffuser is a walk-safe option, for those using the Versalles on their floor. You can mount it to walls and ceilings with these brackets. They're available in both silver and black. We also offer this adjustable bracket, which works with a mounting clip, to create angled lighting. You can use this clip to create recessed drywall lighting. And finally, we offer these 90-degree connectors, which you can use to create tidy and precise corners. You can find all of these products on our website, just type Versalles LED Profile into the search bar. For any questions, please get in touch with us, we'd love to help out. Thanks for watching. We hope that you found this video helpful, and we look forward to creating more like it in the future.